Two mugs in a workshop. Hi, I'm Ian at Two Mugs in a Workshop. Thanks for joining us. And we've just had a delivery from RS Components. Now, we don't get paid by RS Components or any other tool manufacturer to review products. Simply, I've been using this RS Components 3.6 volt rechargeable cordless screwdriver for about the last 18 months. And whilst there's many of these on the market, they're not all made the same. So let me explain to you why you should buy this one. The first one of these I bought lasted only 6 months, and the second broke after 12. So why would I possibly be recommending that you even consider buying this screwdriver? Keep watching and find out. The RS Components product number is 211-6735. Don't worry too much, all of the details will be in the description. At February 2024, the price of the device is approximately £35, which includes value-added tax and delivery to the UK mainland. And you'll always know when the postman's come in with an RS Components product due to the distinctive packaging. So let's take a look inside.
The screwdriver comes safely packaged in a foam insert with bits, charging cable and user guide. Here are the selection of bits supplied with the screwdriver and stored in a neat holder to keep them safe. Charging the screwdriver couldn't be easier. It charges using this micro USB socket. Simply insert the micro USB cable into the socket and connect it to any charger or power pack. The red LED indicates the screwdriver is on charge. Once fully charged, the LED turns green. The screwdriver can be unplugged.
I tend to use my screwdriver in vertical interiors for the removal of centre consoles. Now, the consoles I remove have got approximately 30 Torx T20 screws, so to remove and completely reinstall that centre console would be 60 screws. And I'm fairly sure that on that very same single charge, I could do a second console. But because the battery will recharge in 15 minutes or so, I've never had the need to try it. The screwdriver delivers 5 Newton meters of torque, which given its compact size, I find impressive. Operation is very simple. 2 buttons, one for forwards, one for reverse. And the screwdriver can also be used like any conventional screwdriver. Simply twist. There's no need to lock it or press any buttons in between, so you can switch between electric mode and manual mode very, very easily. I also like the LED light.
Hi guys, it's Ian again at Two Mugs in a Workshop. Here again with the RS Components RS Pro 3.6 volt USB rechargeable screwdriver. I'm taking out the centre console in a Mini. So I've got a Torx T20 bit here, and as you'll see, it's just a little bit too tight for the screwdriver to remove, but it's no problem. Just give the screwdriver a quick twist manually and then extract the screw as you normally would. I mean, this thing has saved me hours and hours and hours around the workshop. I strongly recommend you get one of these. Screw, put it back in, just start it off by hand. Let's drive it in. I mean, for me, that's tight enough, it's not going anywhere, but if you want to manually check, put it in there, give it a gentle twist. I mean, I twisted that maybe 10 degrees or something. Again, absolutely love this, and you know, I couldn't be without this on a day-to-day basis, removing things like centre consoles. As we said previously, it's not going to drive wood nails through door frames, but if you need a electronic screwdriver and be confident that you're not going to over tighten things and break clips and fittings, then this is the ideal thing.
So what happened? What broke, you all want to know? Okay, so it wasn't the mechanics of the screwdriver that failed at all, simply the micro USB charging port. Do I recommend you still buy it? Yes, I do, and the reason from that will become clear in a few moments. But first, a word of warning. While I was waiting for a replacement unit to arrive, I decided to buy this device from another well-known manufacturer. It was on offer by local car parts suppliers. It looks identical. It's got the 2 buttons on it. It's got the manual operation feature. But all these aren't the same. Trust me, if you look on popular marketplaces, there's plenty of these devices. Inevitably, they're all manufactured in China. I imagine most of them come out of the same factory. But this device wouldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding. It's so weak. I mean, I can't actually think of an application where it might be useful. Potentially if you were doing micro circuit boards and, tiny electrical screws. Apart from that, you might as well just throw it in the bin. If I'm being honest, the bits supplied with the device are a little bit soft. Mine wore in about 6 months, but bear in mind that was on daily use in a professional environment. And the problem was very easily solved because the Torx T20 bit, a hardened impact bit, can be bought for about £1 each online. So no big deal really. There are a few negatives. The bits are soft and the micro USB fails. So how can it be such a great tool? It's easy to use. The seamless transition between the electric drive and manual operation is simply fantastic. It's compact. It gets into places that other tools just aren't going to get there. And it's not overly aggressive. It's not going to go stripping threads. It's got impressive stamina for such a small tool. The battery life is tremendous. And the rapid charging, maybe 15 minutes or so, means you'll never be left with a flat battery. £35, including tax and delivery. What a bargain. I mean, if I had to pay for one of these every 12 months, I have to be honest, I probably would. But here it is, the number one, the big reason, the only reason that you should buy this tool. 3-year warranty. Amazing, I know all RS Pro tools come with a 3-year warranty. When mine broke, I called RS Components. I spoke to a lovely lady on the phone at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the following morning, the replacement arrived. You just can't go wrong. So, big shout out there to RS for their fantastic support. They've always been a good company to deal with. I've bought multiple products from them and I've always been very impressed. Again, just to reiterate, we have no affiliation to RS Components. I'm simply making this review because I love this screwdriver. If anyone at RS Components is watching though, the one thing I wish it really did come with was a proper storage case. I think an RS Pro tools range, even if it was a little bit more expensive, it will benefit from having a nice plastic storage case, because let's face it, I mean, we've got all of the cutouts here for the foam that nicely houses the device, keeps it nice and safe and secure, but just seems a shame that it comes in a cardboard box. So for the next release of this tool, it'd be great if we could have a storage case for it. Thank you for watching this video review by Two Mugs in a Workshop. I'm Ian. If you find this useful, please subscribe to the channel, it helps us out massively. Like the video, subscribe, leave us some comments, and we always do our best to reply to everybody that gets in touch with us. Again, until the next review, thanks for watching.